So we all do it, right? Millions of us click that upload button every single day. But have you ever really, truly stopped to think about what you're agreeing to in that moment? Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden blueprint of the entire YouTube platform. And it all starts with a very simple question.
Okay, let me ask you something. What do you think is the most important part of the YouTube page? Your first thought might be the search bar, right? Or maybe the video player itself, or the trending tab. Those are all great guesses, but they're not the right answer. Not even close. The real key, the actual foundation of the entire platform that governs every single upload, is hidden right in plain sight. It's in that one place on the page that pretty much all of us just scroll right past without giving it a second thought.
And there it is, all the way down in the footer. I know, it looks boring, doesn't it? Just a jumble of corporate links. But this isn't just text. This is the instruction manual. This is the constitution for creators. And this is the source for our entire explainer today.
So, first up, behind the upload button. Let's dig into how these little links actually form the social contract you agree to every single time you share a video.
See, here's the crucial thing to get. Every time you share your work, you are, without even thinking about it, agreeing to everything that's encoded in these links. This is the blueprint that defines your relationship with the platform, with the community, and yeah, even with your own content. Okay, part 2 is all about us, for the creators. Now let's break down the part of the blueprint that's dedicated to the people who actually, make YouTube what it is. These first few links here, creators, about, press, contact us, think of these as your personal toolkit. They're your direct hotline to YouTube. This is where you go to find resources, get help, learn about the company. You can even reach out for press opportunities. It's your comm center. And what's really interesting is the order. Before we get to any of the rules, the platform gives you resources. It's basically them saying, hey, we want you to succeed, and here are the tools to connect with us. This is meant to be the support system behind every single upload. All right, section 3, the rules of uploading. Now that we know how to connect with the platform, let's get into the rules of the road, the whole legal and policy framework that you're operating in. First up, copyright. And this is a huge one. This isn't just a rule, it's a right. It's a power that's given to you. When you upload something that's originally yours, this part of the blueprint makes sure that you own it. And it's supposed to give you the tools to protect it from being stolen. And of course, on the other side of that coin, you've got the terms. So if copyright is your right, then the terms, those are your responsibilities. It's the set of rules you agree to play by in exchange for getting access to this unbelievable global stage. It's the heart of the deal. And right here, this is where you see the central balancing act of the whole platform. On one hand, you have the privacy policy. That's all about how your personal information is protected. On the other hand, you have policy and safety, and that's all about how the entire community is protected from harmful stuff. Every single upload has to exist right in the middle of this tension. Individual rights versus community safety. Section 4, the YouTube engine. So we've got the people and we've got the rules, but what powers it all? Let's take a look at the engine that actually drives this whole thing. It really boils down to this simple, powerful loop. Creators, well, they provide the content that people want to see. Developers build and maintain the platform itself, and advertising, that's what pays for the entire operation. The servers, the staff, and of course, the creators. It's a cycle that has to keep on turning. So where do those last 2 links fit in? How YouTube works and test new features. Well, think of them as your little windows into that engine. One is YouTube's attempt to explain its super complex algorithms, and the other is basically an invitation to see where the machine is going next. It's like getting a peek under the hood.
Okay, let's pull all of this together now. It's pretty clear this isn't just some random list of words at the bottom of a web page. It is a complete interlocking system.
Every single link we looked at defines a critical part of the journey your video takes, from your computer to a global audience. It covers your rights as a creator, your responsibilities as a member of the community, and your part in the giant economic engine that powers it all. And hey, notice this one last little detail? The copyright date. It's not for this year. It's set in the future. What does that tell us? It tells us this entire blueprint, this whole agreement, isn't just for today. It's a living document that's designed to run this platform for years to come. And that's really what this all comes down to. That boring-looking line of text in the footer is the foundational blueprint for the largest video platform in the world. It's all right there, just hidden in plain sight. So the next time you're about to click that upload button, you'll know the full weight of that decision. You'll know the rights, the rules, and the engine you're taking part in. So the only question left is, knowing all of that, what will you create next?